It's going. Okay.
I have to say it again. I don't know. Is it videotaping?
Yes.
Okay. Oh god, wow. Is that how much? Is that okay?
Do a little more.
Damn you.
It's wimpish.
Shut up. Let me see you do it.
I'm not doing it so I don't die.
Oh, there's not even a lot in there. I don't want to waste my time on this.
Wash that off.
I watched this old lady do the cinnamon test. This kid made his grandmother do it.
Oh my gosh.
Damn, she's like, you're gonna give me a heart attack. Ready? You have to build up a lot of slime. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Did you even swallow it?
I inhaled shit. I inhaled it so much it went up to my nose. Oh! I almost died.
I wanted to see it go poof.
Oh!
I wanted to go poof. I wanted
Put up
to
to
see
your nose.
I know, you spit it out right away.